Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Bonk update today. So Bonk is still printing in an inverse head and shoulder. Previously, we have seen PEPE breaking out of the inverse head and shoulder. This was really huge. So I don't know if you watch PEPE. I think you're watching Bonk specifically for what Bonk is doing. But there's something I want to talk about. Something new I want to talk about for the coin pair. I'm gonna get into the coin pair in a while. But you can see that PEPE, I've been talking about PEPE's inverse head and shoulder for quite some time, and it seems like it's going to be flying up to 1300, I guess. So the thing is that when I talk about bonk and the inverse head and shoulder, look, we still have the possibility of making this inverse head and shoulder. Now, what is the coin pair that I was talking about? Now, the coin pair that I was talking about is that what if you had PEPE? And what if PEPE makes it all the way up to 1300 and it's sitting at 1000 right now, and then it goes up to 1300 for a further 30% move up, and then you get the profits out there. You were trading the pattern of PEPE. If it makes sense, you were trading the pattern of PEPE inverse head and shoulder as your number one trade, and then you take your money at 1300 and you put it inside bonk now, because bonk is the next to leave the train, which it hasn't really happened. So but you can just tell yourself like, hey, maybe there's a probability we see bonk doing the same with PEPE as PEPE did. Just because PEPE did it doesn't mean bonk may do it, but time will tell. Okay, time will tell. And you may just start getting a little bit of bonk in here and then wait for bonk to really break above and then push to the upside, because what you're looking at is probably, if you take the top to the bottom here and you break above, that's going to be nearly, if you just try to get a little bit of it right over there, that can actually be 86% whooping move to the upside. So that's all for this bonk update, just a quick one, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.